Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to the HIJABEAZE world. Today, me and Ayyat is here to make a big, great announcement. We are super excited. Why are we excited? Can you tell?
Because we have completed 100,000 subscribers.
And we are super excited to share with you the silver button that we received from YouTube. Yay! Here we go. Are you excited?
Very
Are you
good.
excited?
Yeah.
And because Ayyat is very, very special and the most special person in my life, so I thought I will ask her to open this silver button that we got from
YouTube.
Yay!
So
So this is the beautiful note that we got from YouTube. Then we have this another. This is the note in which they've mentioned that they give like 3 different buttons. This is a congratulation note.
Whoa!
And look at this.
This is so huge. Whoa! I'm just going to unwrap.
So we are unboxing this silver button, and you know it says HIJABEAZE right
And
here.
it says for passing 1,000 subscribers.
Right. This is the beauty we got from YouTube. It is silver button and we are super excited. We want to thank you all. And along with you, I want to thank all my family. I want to thank the HIJABEAZE family who has been working really hard. Suhail, Rihana, Shafkat, Sidra, Humaira, Faiza, Malaika, Akram, and a lot of other people who've been working really hard. My family, my brother, my sister, my mother who has been with me from the very first day. Of course, my husband who has been a great support, and I want to thank you all along. And of course, how can I forget Ayyat Fatima? HIJABEAZE is a gift of Ayyat Fatima. You know, when you were born, right after you were born, HIJABEAZE also came to my life. So HIJABEAZE is my second baby.
Yeah.
But my most precious baby is my daughter Ayyat Fatima. Thank you, Ayyat. And I want to thank everyone who has been a great, great support. Thank you so much. Allah bless you all. And thank you for being a part of this mission. And I hope and inshallah we are gonna make your life more easy, more comfortable when it comes to modest clothing, inshallah. You look after yourselves, and once again, thank you so much for all the support, and thank you, YouTube team, for giving us this beautiful award for all the hard work that we have done. So thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Wear
HIJABEAZE with style and smile.
HIJABEAZE with style and smile on your faces. Assalamu alaikum.